Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about paraphrasing. We are going to discuss what paraphrasing is, why we do it, when we do it and how we do it. So let's begin. First, what is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is repeating back your understanding of the material that has been brought on by the client. So, a paraphrase reflects the essence of what has been said by the client. Moving on to when do we do it? We do it whenever you want to demonstrate your understanding and actively listen to the client. We do it for majorly three reasons. We want to clarify and check for accuracy, we want to encourage further exploration, and we want to acknowledge and validate the emotions. बट मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट डू इट आफ्टर एवरी सेंटेंस. मेक श्योर कि आप थोड़ा स्पेरिंगली ही यूज करें पैराफ्रेजिंग को, सो दैट ऐसा भी ना हो कि काफी आप ओवरवेम कर दे क्लाइंट को. नाउ टू अ फाइनल सेक्शन इज हाउ वी डू इट. करना कैसे है, इसके लिए हम एक ईज के लिए एक स्ट्रक्चर फॉलो कर सकते हैं जो कि 4 स्टेप्स में आता है. फर्स्ट इज सेंटेंस स्टेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन आई से इट साउंड्स लाइक, या फिर I sense that. So these are sentence stems. Next is keywords. Keywords हम उठाते हैं जो भी क्लाइंट ने हमें बोला है, हम उसी से keywords उठाएंगे कि what the client wanted to say, उससे हम important keywords उठाएंगे. Third is essence, यानी कि अब हमने क्या समझा. If there is a prominent feeling that is coming up, a prominent emotion that is coming up, तो आप उसका essence pick करोगे and then you will put the essence. And then यू चेकआउट, यानी कि अब आप एक्सप्लोरेटरी टोन में एंड करोगे या फिर आप एक ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन भी पुट कर सकते हो. सो यू चेकआउट विद दैट. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर सेंटेंस स्टेम, कीवर्ड्स, एसेंस एंड चेकआउट. दैट्स हाउ वी पैराफ्रेज. नाउ लेट्स प्रैक्टिस.
I feel really exhausted at work. No matter how much effort I put in, I feel like I'm not appreciated enough, and it gets really exhausting and it feels like it is just not good enough.
Okay. So it sounds like that you've been putting in a lot of effort and now you're feeling unrecognized for the effort that you're putting in, and that is making you question your own worth. Am I understanding it right?
Yeah.
सो इस पैराफ्रेज में हमने पूरा ऑर्डर फॉलो किया जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया था ऑर्डर इन द बिगिनिंग, कि हम कैसे पैराफ्रेज करते हैं. सारे एलिमेंट्स का हमने यूज़ किया इन पैराफ्रेजिंग. हमने एसेंस कैप्चर किया कि जो क्लाइंट के वर्ड्स थे हमने उन्हीं को यूज करके जो क्लाइंट कहना चाह रहा था उसका एसेंस कैप्चर करके उसी को वापस क्लाइंट को बताया, ताकि हम उसकी एक्यूरेसी चेक कर पाएं कि क्लाइंट एंड द काउंसलर वेदर दे आर ऑन द सेम पेज और नॉट.
I always feel like I have to prove myself, and no matter what I do, it's never enough. It's like I am constantly chasing approval.
So just to make sure I understand, you're saying that you are stuck, you feel stuck in a cycle of needing to prove yourself and yet never feeling like it's enough. That must be really exhausting.
Yeah.
सो इस पैराफ्रेज के द्वारा हमने एक एम्पथेटिक टच भी ऐड किया इसमें, जो हमने एंड में बोला कि दैट मस्ट बी रियली एग्जॉस्टिंग. इससे क्या होता है कि इससे क्लाइंट वैलिडेटेड फील करता है. तो ये एम्पथेटिक टच एक पैराफ्रेज को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बना सकता है. क्लाइंट को और फील होगा कि उनको समझा जा रहा है एंड उनको फील वो एम्पथी का कनेक्शन, एक जो रैपो का कनेक्शन होता है, एक वो रिलेशनशिप होता है, वो भी बिल्ड होगा.
I don't even know why I bother anymore. Maybe I should just give up and like stop trying so hard.
So it sounds like you're feeling discouraged and wondering if it's even worth trying so hard. Can you tell me more about it? So this paraphrase, according to the client's frustration, was gentle and accurate, and ending with an open-ended question further helps कि हम client का जो भी concern है उसको और explore कर पाएं. It sounds like you're really frustrated because you feel like you keep letting the people around you down, and that is making you question whether to even keep trying. Can you share a recent time when you felt like this before? So, with this paraphrase, we were close to what the client said, to the client's words, and we also ended with a exploratory question so that the client has a chance to explore this further.
I have so many things to do. I don't even know from where to start. It constantly feels like I'm in a race and I'm just running here and there and I just can't keep up.
So, I can sense a lot of overwhelm. You have a lot on your plate right now, and it's making hard to focus for you. So, what usually helps when you feel this way? विद दिस पैराफ्रेज हमने क्लाइंट के फीलिंग को भी हमने एक्नॉलेज किया, उनके ओवरवेलम को, वी यूज द क्लाइंट्स वर्ड्स एज वेल, एंड देन वी ऑल्सो अलाउड द क्लाइंट, वी इन्वाइटेड द क्लाइंट कि वो अपने कोपिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज पे भी रिफ्लेक्ट कर पाएं. सो
I've been thinking about switching careers, but every time I start planning, it feels like it feels like I just second guess myself and I start doubting myself. What if I make a wrong choice?
So you're feeling uncertain about switching careers, and because you're afraid of making the wrong decision, what's making this decision feel so risky for you? So with this paraphrase हमने सारे elements का भी use किया. Again we ended with an open-ended question जिससे कि client को हमने invite किया कि वो अपनी hesitation को और explore कर पाएं.
Ever since my grandmother passed away, I've been feeling really lost and we were really close and I don't know how to move forward. So I really need help with that.
You miss your grandmother and feel like you should be moving on, but don't know how. In this paraphrase, the phrase should be moving on wasn't something that the client said. तो ये जो should है, that places a certain, implies a certain pressure जो कि हो सकता है client feel ना कर रहा हो. So let's try and keep it closer to the client's words. I sense a lot of hurt, and I hear that you're feeling lost, not like you're not sure what the next step is. So this is how we adjusted the new paraphrasing that we did. यहाँ पर हमने should का avoid किया. Should एक pressure imply करता है जो कि हमने client के ऊपर नहीं डालना है. There should be no pressure to move on. So now we adjusted the paraphrasing according to the client's words and हमने end किया with an exploratory tone.
Lately, I feel like I'm the one who is always reaching out to my friends. If I don't make the effort, days, even weeks goes by without hearing from them. It makes me wonder if they even care about me.
It sounds like you're feeling unimportant in your friendships because you're always the one making effort. And this makes you feel that you're not cared for enough.
Yeah.
So in this paraphrase, again, we used all the elements and we reflected back what the client meant. हमने essence को capture किया, हमने उसको वापस से बताया, we clarified. So yeah, this was a good paraphrase.
Whenever I speak in a group, I just freeze. I start to worry, like how I sound, if people will judge me, and then I just stay quiet. And it's frustrating because I know I have things to say, but I just can't get the words out.
So I sense a lot of self-doubt when you try to speak up in a group. You want to express yourself, but the fear of judgment holds you back. So through this paraphrase, हमने acknowledge किया the client's feelings of frustration as well as the internal struggle that is going on. So by acknowledging that, the client will get the chance to reflect on these feelings as well.
Lately, I just don't feel like myself. I used to be so motivated, but now even a simple thing just feels exhausting. I try to push through, but nothing seems to help. It's like I'm just stuck in this big fog, and I don't know how to, get out of it.
It sounds like you're feeling disconnected from yourself. Like the motivation you once had isn't there anymore. And no matter how much you try, it feels like you're stuck in this heavy fog, making everything just even more difficult. सो वाया दिस पैराफ्रेज हमने क्लाइंट के इमोशनल स्ट्रगल को, उनके खुद से डिस्कनेक्शन को एक्नॉलेज किया है. वी one thing that can be done is we can gently explore how it used to look like for the client. Like, how does feeling like yourself, how does feeling like herself for the client looks like, ताकि हम उनको उनके स्ट्रेंथ से रिकनेक्ट करवा पाएं. Paraphrasing is about capturing what the client is expressing and giving them the space to expand or clarify. It helps our clients feel understood and heard. Remember to use different sentence stems and stick to the client's words. Keep practicing.